You know, it's a you thing.
Okay, what wig should I put on right now? Are we on that?
Mm-hmm. That's a cute one.
Is there a wig number? So, okay, so for my hair, since
Yes.
my hair right now is different colors, although we were talking about doing
The
my
blue.
hair blue with a yellow Sigma, I don't
You
think
did
that,
think about
I mean, we have to bleach my hair, but I don't think we'll be able to do any blonding or anything, right?
We're gonna be able to do blue for sure, but blonde,
Right,
I
but
don't think so.
the blonde, so.
No.
So for Boule Centennial, do we like this one?
I need to hydrate that one. It's a cute color.
I like the color, but okay, let me find something else. Okay, so yeah, we'll just do my hair blue, and that will be my going through the airport hair look. Let's show some of the new inventory that we have in the store. We have a lot of long wigs that we haven't had in stock for a long time. So if you ladies are looking for some long wigs right now, is a great time to come in and get some of those long wigs.
Do you want to put on your wig?
Which one? Yeah. What about, oh, never mind, it's too high.
These are some 360s we have in store. These are a couple of wavies we have in store.
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna do my hair a nice royal blue to go through the airport because I will have a couple of days off because I am going to Centennial Resort. There's a lot of people outside lately. I will be going to my sorority's 100-year Boule Centennial event.
It's a piece right.
How's that?
It's a piece stuck in your lace. That's it.
So I will have some time off for the next couple of days to go to my sorority, Centennial Sorority Incorporated. It will be our 100-year celebration, and of course, you guys know I'm taking wigs. I'm doing content, so I wanted to ask you guys which wig should I do. So here's some of my looks that we are putting together. This is a nice deep body wave, custom colored wig here. I'll also be taking this wig here. Obviously, I'm gonna wash it, and I'll do some cool videos with our new styling tools that will be available on our website on July 14th. So check them out there. So I'm gonna take this one, we're gonna wash it tomorrow. Probably looks terrible right now, but trust, it is quality hair. And I'll be taking this beautiful kinky straight wig right here that we custom colored in store. And I'll also be doing a custom blue wig. So let me know which wigs you guys like the best. And most importantly, I will be carrying my wigs in our handy dandy wig wardrobe bag, which will also be available on our website on July 14th. MagicHairCompany.com will have lots of new stuff coming. We'll have our hair wardrobe bags. We will have our bonnets. And look at this lining on the inside of the bonnets, ladies. So this is not your cheap rinky-dink bonnet. This is a good quality bonnet. You can travel with it. You can don't walk through the airport with it. I don't want to see you in the airport with the Magic Hair Company bonnet. Please don't. But yeah, you can take it on vacation, you can travel with it, you can sleep with it at home, and it has this nice little rhinestone accent right here, and it's nice and snug. So protect your hair, protect your natural hair, protect your wig. Yes. So I will be definitely traveling with those items right there. We have our hot tools available. They come in this great box right here. And part of what I'll be doing, I'll show you guys some of our styling tools. So we actually have 2 sizes of flat irons that are available. We have the big size in my hand, and then I'll show you guys the small size, or actually you see it right there on the camera. And let me show you guys how amazing
Some clips if you want.
the flat iron works. So whether you're a beauty professional or you just do your hair at home, you need a great quality flat iron, especially for kinky straight hair like this. So kinky straight hair, our kinky straight hair is very soft, as you guys can see. We custom colored this right here, and you need a good flat iron to tame it down just a little bit more if you like. So here is what our flat iron looks like. Let me grab a comb. But our tools are perfect for traveling. They're available here in store.
So these are a couple units that we have in store. As you guys can see, we are fully in stock. We have a lot of different lengths and textures. We also have a lot of our long wigs in store as well. What are some combs? What are some combs? What are some colors that you guys like? What colors do you want to see from us for the summer? Please let us know. Like I said, we're fully in stock of a lot of lengths and textures. We also do custom orders, so if something that you don't see and you want us to make it, we can custom make it for you as well.
Okay, I'm back. So one thing I love traveling with is a quality flat iron. I hate trying to use the flat irons that are available to me when I'm traveling, so I'm definitely bringing my own flat iron. This is also great for at-home use. And this is how this one here works. It does have adjusting temperatures on the side. Right now I have my temperature set at just 383. And this is how easy it is to get a good, nice press with our flat iron. So you see that? And that is with just one pass. So let me do a couple of other pieces, but whether you're trying to flat iron your kinky straight wig, a curly wig, your own natural hair, you need a good flat iron, and a good flat iron that will not just burn your hair out. You want to get an actual good flat iron that will not damage the cuticle, so that way when you wet your hair later, the pattern will come right back and it won't be too hot and burnt out. Again, our heat here is only at 383, so around 380. And look, it's getting nice and straight on that low to medium heat setting. And this is our large flat iron here. So you see how this is coming out here. They're currently available in store, not online just yet. We might do a couple of giveaways. I'll do just one more piece for you guys. And one thing about our kinky straight hair is it's very soft. It's not coarse, it's not hard to manage. It's very, very soft. So I'm really excited about my Centennial trip. I just got my nails done and I forgot, oh yeah, I should have got my nails done for Centennial. So although I have these cute nails here, I should have got the blue and gold. So now I gotta go get my hair and my nails done. So this is just this little bit right here. You guys can see the difference between what I have and have not flat ironed. So there you go. There's a difference, and that's just one pass through. So get you a quality flat iron that won't burn out your hair. It will last, it stays heated, it evenly heats. We also have our hot comb available. So for those of you ladies that wear your wigs and you want it to remain nice and flat right here at the top, what you need to get that done is the flat iron. So let me show you how that works here. I'm going to just brush this down a little bit. Also, we'll have these available. I completely forgot that we have our brushes. So we have some great paddle brushes this is a good paddle brush for kinky straight or for curlier textures. And if we wanted to define this part here, so with all of our wigs, the part, you can change it. So wherever you want to set that part, all I recommend you to do is hard press it as I'm about to do right now. So just for the sake of this, because I know this is my personal wig that I'm about to wear, I want my part right in the middle. You clean your part up right where you want it. And then you're going to just press it down into place. And you see how that's getting nice and smooth already? You don't need too much on it. And you're just gonna press that right down into place. So I know you guys can definitely see the difference.
When will these be available on the website?
These will be on our website on July 14th. So just a couple of days from now, about a week, all of these items will be available online. So whether you want to flat iron your hair out or if you want to press it, you can definitely just press it out like that.
You can see the big difference between the two textures.
And that is because we are using a quality, you know, Magic Hair Company is all about quality flat iron. So, and this flat iron is also a great option for styling your kinky straight hair. So you see how this kinky straight side over here is much more straighter, more defined. I don't know. You guys know what word I'm trying to use. But you see the difference in this side and then this side over here? Big difference. Both beautiful options, but big difference. And we did this with our Magic Hair Company flat iron. So whether you have kinky straight hair or silky straight, you want to use a quality flat iron that has nice, good heat all the way throughout, so that way you can use the combs and you can use this backside here to whip it into place. Okay, I'm going to turn this off so I don't burn myself. I'm also going to turn this one off. Again, these will be available on our website July 14th at magichaircompany.com. We have 2 different sizes here. And then this actually comes in a couple of different colors. We have black, we have gold, we have pink. I don't think we have purple. But if you order online, you might get a different color. So if you have a specification of a color you want, just let us know. They will sell out. We did not order tons and tons and tons. So get them now. So although I will be at Centennial, yes, we are having a product launch. Everything will be together and organized and smooth transactions. You can also pick up these products here in store in our Culver City store. We're located at 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. Okay, let me show you guys the other looks that I'm going with for Centennial. so this is one of my looks. I'll be there for 7 days, so I'm probably gonna take about 5 different wigs. This is option number 1. This is option number 2 over here. Actually, let me just put it on and show you guys what it looks like, because she is a baddie. How do we describe this color?
It's a deep red.
This is a deep red. So you guys know we do custom color here, so if you love this color, we can definitely duplicate it for you on this same wig, a shorter wig, whatever you want. We can duplicate this look for you. This is a front lace wig. I believe she's 24 inches.
Yes, and deep body wave textured.
And all of our wigs are glueless, ladies and gentlemen. So if you're concerned about how to put your wig on, it is really not that hard. There you go. So you see we have all of this beautiful color, beautiful texture. I'm definitely taking her. I want to do a couple different looks.
This is your island girl look. There you go. It's pretty.
Maybe I'll take this one on my next cruise. Yeah, because you know I love curly hair for vacation.
It's so pretty.
What do you guys think? See this hairline? How does that look?
Good.
And of course, we could change the part if we wanted. Now with curly wigs, you can easily change the part by just wetting it and changing it. Or you can use a hot comb if you want, just like this, to change your part. Boom. So the choice is up to you. And let me grab this brush over here. So yeah, I'm excited. I hope to meet some of my lovely sorors that I haven't met before, but see me on social media. Come and say hi. Here's some of the other tools that we will also have available. So we'll have this edge tamer right here. So, you know, you want to swoop that baby hair real good? We got you. Boom. This is what I'll be using to define my curls. So we have 2 brushes, but this is the one I will use for defining my curls here. This is a good paddle brush. It's also good for a variety of textures. We have 2 different options. And if you want to secure your lace, which is always important, ladies, after you spray some of that got-to-be glue or whatever type of glue you use, here is an option you can use. She reminds me of that customer from last week.
I don't know, but I think I know who this is. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello. How are you?
Good, good, good. What can we help you with
Hello.
today?
I'm looking for the wig.
Okay, we can definitely help you. I got it.
Human hair.
Yes, that's exactly what we have.
Not too dark. Because I'm in the elderly person, you know.
Yes.
Too dark is not good for me.
Hello. What texture are you looking for?
Human hair is really curly.
This wig does look good on me, guys.
Can I come over here and look?
I'll bring them to you. Do you see any? And then, this is another one of my wig options here.
Can I take it down the way?
All right, guys, I'm gonna get off here so I can finish styling these wigs. But to my sorors at Centennial, I'll see you guys in a couple of, or next week actually. If you're looking for a quality wig, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company. We're located in Culver City. Bye, guys. See you soon. Don't forget, the products will be online July 14th at magichaircompany.com, and they're currently available in store. So is this too curly?